Okay, let's look at Labyrinth, League, and Limousine. So Labyrinth, noun, a confusing structure that you might get lost in. So labyrinth, turn left and right and this way and that way, and it splits off in two directions and two more, and going this way and that way, and this way or that way. Go here, there, it's a dead end. Go this way, go there, go that way and this way, this way. All over the place, labyrinth. Like a maze. Like a maze. You enter here. You enter there, you turn left, or you can turn left and right. Hang on, this way, that way, a third way, turn left again, go this way, go that way. Well, hang on, which way did I come from? Let's go right. Oh, hang on, let's turn around and go this way. Oh, hang on, let's turn right again. A labyrinth to get lost in. When we went in the labyrinth, we did not know where to go. Which way? Which way? We didn't know where to go. Left, right, this way, that way, third, left, or fourth, right. Well, we turn this way. If we came from that way. A labyrinth. How cool is that? League. Noun. A group of people that have mutual aid. So people that work together. People. People. Countries. Companies. Companies. Maybe neighbours that work together for a common goal. Yes. The League of Nations, so countries, came before the United Nations. The League coming together for a common goal. Verb, to make an alliance with others. He was in league with them all along. I was in league with her all this time. We worked together in secret. Shh. In league, working together. How cool is that? And limousine. Noun, a long luxury car that has its own driver, generally its own driver. A long car, often the windows might be tinted out so you cannot see inside the car. You can't see inside the car. They're tinted out, blacked out. Tinted as in blacked out. Yeah. How cool is that? We went to the party in a limousine, and its driver is a chauffeur. He will drive, and the passengers sit in the back. More spacious. More luxurious. Luxurious. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So labyrinth, league, and limousine. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.